go. Let's see if they fail. Okay. Looks like it's not on week 4. Yeah, Halo's relaying it. Oh, there goes my scanner.
For a specific area message and coverage, the same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. In the sea in the Gulf of Mexico.
Okay. And we do got a week 4. Darn. This time on the 6 o'clock test. The last 3 weeks it's been in the morning.
This weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is pleased to an alternate weather radio broadcast for this weather.
Week 4. It is week 4. Maybe they should switch over to actual voice text things. Caleb should hit their 2 minutes. There we go. Now we gotta wait for them to try again. Live stream. Something else didn't go off. That's better. See if this thing goes off. Nah, because I pressed the power button.
Between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
And my K-Love is... So my K-Love is relaying the RWT again.